Attention freelancers and affiliate marketers. Welcome to the WebbyTown Success Social Network. If your ultimate goal is to build an online business to generate an income as an affiliate marketer, or find online freelancer gigs, then WebbyTown is a new concept in social media made just for you. As internet freelancers and affiliate marketers, all of us must deal with building websites, landing pages, and sales funnels to get our site visitors to subscribe to our newsletters, join our membership sites, purchase our courses, and buy our products. Most of us pay a high price for the tools to make that happen. My screen name is Webby Freelance, and I've been an independent business person for most of my adult life, and an online creator since 1998. Obviously, my goal is to increase my own business. After all, I too am a web designer and affiliate marketer. But my idea was to provide those just like myself with these tools at a significantly lower price than is available from the big name brand service providers. A few weeks ago I was thinking about my own business, and I believe I came up with a dynamite plan to help freelancers and affiliate marketers by providing site optimization and keyword research tools, marketing platforms, tutorials, and freebies that we all need and use from time to time. I thought to myself, if I could bring all these tools and platforms together under my Webby Freelance umbrella, to help others like myself to succeed, then maybe I could increase my own income. So, I went to work. If you have spent any time at all designing a website and working to get your website to rank, then you understand there is a lot of work involved in launching an income generation site. Virtually every website I have built tends to take on a life of its own. I know this to be true because I have 54 of my own niche sites at various stages of completion. As an internet content creator, you know that a website is never really completed. We must feed them, tweak them, and continually work on our search engine optimization tasks to reach the top of page 1. WebbyTown is a network of connected SaaS websites designed to provide the tools and marketing platforms. These include WebbyTown. This is a social media site similar to Facebook. It has most of the bells and whistles of the big box sites. This is where you can add content and start building another following of potential users interested in your skill set. Then there is Webby Freelance. If you are a freelancer with experience using Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr, then you should require little onboarding time to use Webby Freelance. At this time there are no membership fees, and the completed task platform fee tops out at 8.5%. With Webby tools, there is a wide range of site optimization, broken link and backlink identifiers, and keyword generation and research tools. I have partnered with a well-known keyword research platform to provide a very low-cost alternative to other keyword companies. There is a free and a very low-cost paid version. Additionally, Webby Pins, I have created a guest post site similar to Pinterest with a twist. It is meant to provide a do-follow backlink source for affiliate marketers and freelancers to market their own websites. Because Google is highly suspicious of link farms. For this reason I have decided to moderate this website myself. Affiliate links are not allowed. Any backlinks created must redirect to your own website, and you must provide a well-written original and post that is relevant to freelancing or affiliate marketing and a minimum of 500 words in length without detectable plagiarism. Webby SaaS is the entry site to the network. It is the primary blog I use to generate page visitors and display advertising of relevant products I use or have tested. It will contain links to all the tools and platforms on the WebbyTown network. There are several other sites in process that are intended to help market your business. I call this the Success Social Network because it requires community involvement to succeed in its own right. Myself and my staff will be diligently working to help market this network of sites to build high site authority and send the link juice back to community members who participate. As the community grows, there will be additional platforms to help members generate additional income. We are working on a question and answer site where affiliates and freelancers can provide answers to questions by newbies and others. We are also working on an OnlyFans clone for influencers, and an additional site for members to get paid for allowing users to contact them directly and/or view videos that can only be seen by users willing to pay for the privilege. In addition, I am considering building a revenue share site, a YouTube clone, and a chatroom as part of the network strategy. Finally, because the WebbyTown network is still in pre-launch status, make sure you sign up to my newsletter so you can be notified of additions and changes we are making. As membership grows, your potential for generating additional income grows with us. I think it's about time we have our own social media platform that actually pays our community rather than the other alternatives the big platforms provide. If you managed to make it this far, then I want to say thank you and ask for your help to get WebbyTown off the ground. Members can always contact me directly to make suggestions, notify me of bugs, just say hello, or bitch at me for some gripe you may have. I am an old salty US Coast Guard veteran, so I can take it if you can dish it out. Again, thank you, and I hope to speak with all of you and make new friends. Now, get in on the ground floor and sign up for my newsletter. I promise not to spam your email box or sell your info.